If you are wondering how to fade dark spots on your face and other parts of the skin, then try some home remedies. Natural products are always better for the skin. And many essential oils help reverse hyperpigmentation and fade dark spots to brighten your skin. We will also discuss the best ways to use these essential oils for quick results on those dark spots, also known as sunspots or age spots on your face. Most essential oils are very strong plant extracts, so they are used with carrier oil to ensure that they don't burn your skin. You only need a few drops of essential oils at a time to get rid of dark spots. It is always better to do a patch test to check you are not allergic to any of these oils. Here are the 5 best essential oils to fade dark spots. How to use them is as important as these oils. We will discuss the best ways to use them after introducing the oils. So stay tuned to the end. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidant, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. One of the best essential oils for dark spots. 2. Helichrysum Essential Oil. Helichrysum Essential Oil has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties that may be useful in fading dark spots. 3. Rosemary Oil. Rosemary Essential Oil is great for fading dark spots. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 4. Frankincense Essential Oil. Frankincense oil is also anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial oil, helpful to fade dark spots. 5. Cedar Wood Oil. Cedar Wood Essential Oil is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antimicrobial oil. In addition to the above top 5 essential oils for dark spots, you can also use clary sage oil, lemon oil, geranium oil and lavender oil. The best way to use these essential oils to fade dark spots is to use them with a carrier oil. You can use coconut oil or jojoba oil as carrier oils. Add 10 to 15 drops of any one of the essential oils or a mix of any combination of these oils to a tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix well and fill it up in a small bottle for now and later use. Wash clean and dry the affected skin area. Apply the essential oil carrier oil mix on each dark spot. Let the oil stay. Repeat it 2 to 3 times daily. Bottom line is, essential oils are good to get rid of dark spots on the face and other areas of skin. Always use them with a carrier oil to prevent sting and burn from their high concentration. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.